Hey, there we go. We're going to mix up some more resin. We're going to put another layer on this. It's all ready to do that. So we want 8 ounces. Alright. I want 2 of these guys. Alright, that should be just right. We're going to put our little bit of black color in there. Put actually quite a bit this time. Alright, we're mixing our resin up. We're going to put another layer on this. Got our brush ready. Everything's a go. Start on one side and work our way around. Alrighty. Now let's make sure we got this. Everything is thoroughly saturated. Alrighty. Come here, you devil. A little pre-wetting here. Alright. We're going to try to be real quick about this because the sun's going down. We want to get this done before the sun goes down so it has a chance to start curing off. Okay. Alright. Do a little rip here. Plant like that. Ah, crap. I forgot to mix wax in with this. We're going to add some wax now. I usually put about 1 cupful in about this much. Glad we cut it now on the first piece, rather than on the last piece. Alright. Let's mix another one up for above. Tweak this a little bit shorter. Alright, just moving right along here. Okay, that's looking really good. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and poke around with this, but it's essentially done until it dries, and then we're going to do the trimming and all that other stuff. But I'll have you back when I get to, when this is dry and we start to clean it up, and we'll have a look at it then, and we'll run it up and down, making sure it works and all that. But right now I think we've got a success going here, and time will tell, of course. But anyway, come back and join us again later, or stand by.